Hello, loving students of class 7th. Okay, this is subject maths. Okay, chapter first integers. Right, we solved question number 1 to 6 of exercise 1.3. Right, now let's try to find the solution of question number 7, 8, and 9 of the same exercise. So let us start. So the question first is, in a class test containing 10 questions, 5 marks are awarded for every correct answer and negative 2 marks are awarded for every incorrect answer. Right. So, and 0 for questions not attempted. Okay. So you have to remember that this there's a class test, and in a class test 3 students took part: Mohan, Reshma, and Hina. Right. Okay, the test rules were, for every correct answer 5 marks are given, and for every incorrect answer negative 2 marks are awarded, and for unattempted questions 0 marks are given. Right, so there are as many as 3 parts of the question number 7, and we have to solve each of them, okay, one by one. Right, let's take the first part first. Mohan gets 4 correct answers and 6 incorrect answers. What is his score? About Mohan, he attempted all the questions. Okay, 6 of them are wrong and 4 are correct. And you have to remember that for every correct answer 5 marks are given, right? And for every incorrect answer negative 2 marks are given. So let's try to find the solution. Okay, say so Mohan's score will be, okay, so he has attended all the questions, all the 10 questions, right? Okay, then out of 10 questions, uh, out of 10 questions 4 are correct and 6 are incorrect. 4 are correct, so 4 are correct, and for every correct answer 5 marks are given. Okay, and 6 are incorrect, 6 are incorrect, and for every incorrect answer, okay, negative 2 marks are given. Right. Okay, so his score will be 4 5s are 20 plus 6 2s are 12. Okay, it will be negative 12, right? Since these integers in multiplication carries different signs. Okay, then 20, it is plus, it is minus, signs are different, so it will be negative here, minus here, 12. Okay, so Mohan's final score will be 20 minus 12, that is equal to 8. So Mohan's final score will be 8, right? Okay, you can see here. Okay, thus Mohan's final score is 8. Right. Okay, now the second part is Reshma gets 5 correct answers and 5 incorrect answers. Okay, so the number of correct answers and incorrect answers is 5. Okay, what is her score? So that means Reshma attempted all the questions. Okay, 5 of them are incorrect, and the 5 are correct, right? So her score will be, Rishma's score will be 5 are correct. So for every correct answer 5 marks are given. Then plus 5 are incorrect. 5 multiplied by negative 2. Right. Okay, then her final score will be 5 into 5 is equal to 25, plus 5 into negative 2 is equal to negative 10. Right, this is 10. This is 10. Right. Okay, so 25, signs are different here, it will be negative 10 here. Right, So that is equal 25 minus 10 is equal to 15 marks. Okay, these are the final marks of Reshma, right? Okay, so you can see here Reshma's final score is 15, right? Okay, Mohan is 8. Now the another student about another student Hina. Uh, Hina gets two correct answers and five incorrect answers out of seven questions she attempted. So about Hina, she only attempted seven questions, right? And out of seven questions, her five questions are incorrect and two questions are correct. So what will be her final score? Okay, so about Hina, okay, she attempted only seven questions. Two of them, only two of them are correct. Two are correct. For correct answer, she will be given 5 marks, and plus 5 are incorrect. For incorrect answers, she will be given negative 2. And uh, for three questions which she did not attempt, she will be given 0 marks. 3 into 0. So that is equal to 2 5s are 10 plus 5 into negative 2 is equal to negative 10, right? Plus 3 into 0 is equal to 0, right? So then 10, this is plus, minus, it will be minus here, signs are, because signs are different, minus 10 plus 0 is equal to 0 plus 0, that is equal to 0. So Hina's final score is 0, right? Okay, this is about first question. Okay, Hina's final score is 0. Okay, let's now move to the second question. Question number 8. A cement company earns a profit of rupees 8 per bag of white cement sold and loss of rupees 5 per bag of grey cement. So, about a cement company, okay, what happens? The company sells two types of cement: white cement and grey cement. Okay, so for white cement, the company earns profit of 8 rupees, but there is a loss of 5 rupees per bag of grey cement sold. Okay, so now we have to consider these things, and we have to solve the two parts based on this information. Okay, the first part, A part, is the company sells 3,000 bags of white cement and 5,000 bags of grey cement. Okay, what is it is profit or loss? So on some day the company sells 3,000 bags of white cement and 5,000 bags of grey cement. Now you have to remember that for this white cement, the company earns profit of 8 rupees, and for grey cement the uh, company has a loss of 5 rupees per bag. So let's try to solve this. So company sells how many bags? 3,000 bags of white cement, right? 3,000 bags of white cement. So white cement, 3,000 bags. So profit on these bags will be 3,000 multiplied by, so multiplied by what? Multiplied by 8 rupees, right? Multiplied by 8 rupees. Multiplied by 8. So that is equal to 24,000, right, rupees. Okay, now gray cement, how many bags of gray cement did company sell on a fine day? Is 5,000 bags. Okay, and we know that for every gray bag sold, there's a loss of 5 rupees, right? So let's calculate that loss first. 5,000 bags, so loss will be 5,000 into 5, so it will be by 25,000 rupees, right? Okay, now you have to note that this 5,000, since this loss is 25,000 rupees and profit is only 24,000 rupees. So since loss is greater than profit, so we have to calculate the loss. So loss is equal to 25,000 minus 24,000, right? So that is equal to 25,000 minus 24,000 is equal to 1,000 rupees. So there is a loss of 1,000 rupees, right? So there is a loss of 1,000 rupees. Okay, now there is another. What is the number of white cement bags it must sell to have neither profit nor loss if the number of grey bags sold is 6,400 bags? Okay, now this question is a little different. So here we have to find the number of white cement bags that the company must sell, okay, so that there is no profit, no loss if the number of grey bags sold is 6,400 bags. Okay, so let's suppose the number of white bags that company must sell, okay, so that there is no loss is say for example that is X, right? So X number of white bags, right? X number of white cement bags. Okay, so then what will be, well, what will be the profit? Profit will be X into 8, that is equal to 8X, right? Okay, so 8X. Okay, now the gray cement bags, how many gray cement bags did the company sell? 6,400, right? So what will be the loss? Loss will be 6,400 into 5. So that is equal to 5 zeros are 0, 0, 5 fours are 20, 5 6 are 30, plus 2 is equal to 3,200. Right. So now we know that we have to find the number of this X. So now we know that profit is equal to loss. So 8X is equal to 32,000. Right. So therefore, uh, X is equal to this 8 is divided to 32,000. So we will get 8 ones are 8, 8 fours are 32, 8 zeros are zeros are zeros are. So 4,000 bags of white cement must be sold. Okay, so that there is no profit if the gray bags sold are 6,400, right? So this completes our question number 8. Okay, now let's continue and find this solution of question number 9. Replace the blank with an integer to make it a true statement. Okay, so this is very simple. Minus what should be multiplied to negative 3 so that we get positive 27. Okay, so positive 27, so there will be this positive 27 answer only when the other digit is also negative. Okay, so that is the answer is negative 9, right? So there is another, what should be multiplied to 5 so that we get negative 35. So since this is positive, so other integer will be definitely negative. So that is 5 7 0, so negative 7, right? So then another statement is what is to be multiplied with negative 8 so that we get negative negative 30, negative 50 seconds. What is to be multiplied with negative 8? So we get negative 50 seconds. So since this is negative already, so another number will be definitely positive. So it will be 8 sevens or 50 seconds. So then there is last. Okay, this is what should be multiplied to negative 12, so that we get negative sorry, positive 132. So another number will also be negative. So 12 11s are 111 into minus 12, minus 11 into minus 12 is equal to plus 132. Okay, so this brings end to today's lesson. Tomorrow we'll come up with another topic. Till then, Khuda Hafiz. Thanks a lot. Stay home, stay safe.